There we go. Finally record. That is nice. Yes. Cool, man. Shall we continue? Well, that was dope. If that car goes, he's behind the line. What a dumbass. Yeah. Yeah, get honked. Good job. What? Oh yeah. So the mission is the street lamp thing, the street lamp monument that everyone goes to, the tunnel. Can I ask you a question? Do you know what? Oh, sorry. That's okay. Yeah. Sorry to bother you.
Do you guys need directions? You okay?
Yes.
Yes, where you need to get to.
We can't find what it's called. It's like a bunch of like street lights, and everyone goes there for photo.
That's random.
Yeah, it's
in downtown.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's like I think it's installation. They took a bunch of old street lights and they put it in one big. So there's like 50 of them, 100 of them.
I wish I could help. I haven't heard of this.
Yeah, I can't find.
It's dope though.
Yeah, I can't even search what it's called.
Yeah. Do you want to borrow a phone?
Yeah, we don't have. Yeah, we don't have data.
Technology.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Okay. Well, thank you for stopping.
Yeah. No, of course. I've had my ass saved by so many other motorcyclists. You have no idea. Alright.
Oh, it's a Yamaha too.
Let's see.
I don't even know what to search for. It's like a bunch of streetlights. All the Instagram people go there for their photos, you know?
Oh, like, do you mean like big lanterns?
Kind of. Yeah.
Like, and they're all in.
Yes.
That's LACMA.
LACMA.
LACMA. Okay, I gotta get. LACMA is not hard to get you to. No.
See, I told you, people. It's cool. We're gonna be cool.
Wilshire.
Wilshire.
Which is... Oh,
we got a video. Nice.
I don't want a video.
Yes.
Okay, that's LACMA. Beautiful. Let me show you guys where LACMA is at. Here, you can check out the map.
Oh, you're so awesome. I wonder if my fingers work. Nope.
Californians are crazy, but we're nice.
Oh, it's Fairfax and sick.
Okay, and then if you need to stop and ask, tell them you're trying to get to LACMA. It's the LA Museum of Art, like a big, yeah.
Oh, LA Museum of Art. Cool. Yeah, I didn't know what to search for. Or like lanterns. It's like lantern shops.
At first I thought you meant stoplights, like those, and I was like, where the fuck is this installation? I was like, oh, LACMA. Everyone goes to LACMA. That's awesome. Funny. All right.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Oh yeah, fist pump. Or something cool.
Stop. Take care, John. Yeah.
All right, buddy. So I said I'm going to be an Instagram model, right? This year I said on my Instagram. So you're going to be my photographer. We're here. Oh yeah. Way better than me. So how is she doing it? Okay, yeah. You ready? Are we good? Are you gonna take one photo from all that? You need to learn to be a photographer there, bud.
Oh, fuck, man. Here, go in there now,
Okay, so everyone's in here taking all their cute photos. Oh, that's how I gotta stand. He's standing like that. There we go, yeah. So he's got his hands in his pocket. Okay. Instagram model. Is that Instagram model enough for you? Like those poses?
The last one was the best.
Let's check it out.
The last one was good.
Let's check it out. Oh yeah. Oh dude, look at that.
That's amazing.
Oh yeah, you see my like that guy there was doing it, so I wanted to do it too. The hip motion there.
Yeah.
Oh, that was dope.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, we did it. Anyway, it's some like art thing they put here, guys, and Alright guys, we're leaving this installation, this bunch of lights. I've been coming down here like 3 years now, 4 years. I've been here multiple times. And it's the first time I stopped to take a photo, eh? Man, security here is tight. Tight.